Hey guys, just wanna make a quick video on how to put this thing together. Well, not the Steam Deck. I'm talking about this thing here, which is a stand that I have made for the Steam Deck. And there we are. Now, if you have been around on Printable enough, you probably have seen a first version of this stand, which is V1.0, which I have here. And well, in this version, there's only two pieces, that is the clip and the stand itself. And the stand is then pushed in place right into that little groove there where there's a little gear, if you can see it, maybe. And well, this had been served me for the past couple months and it worked well. It still does, and I love it. However, what I had decided to do is to make some minor upgrade to the design. So first and foremost, this is now come in three piece, which I can just show you right that here, and like this. So the string is now no longer integrated into the clip itself, but rather its own piece, like this, and it right on the rail that is now on the clip. And what this do is that it allow you to print this section out of the without any support. So if I print back the V1.0, the clip need to be printed in this orientation, and what would need it to be done then is that you have to put some support here, right, to support this little 90-degree protrusion of the back. Well, that's no longer the case with the new design, as this thing can now be just print flat like so. And the clip itself also need to print flat, as I have make some design change right there. You can see a little angle on the surface that allowed that part there to be print without any support. Obviously, you will still need some support at the front where there's little cutout for the headphone jack. And for this specifically, if you have a tool changer or any ability to make a multi-material print, I would suggest you make this entire thing out of PETG with PLA support. What I mean is, on the clip itself, as you can see there, you would not be able to pick up on camera, actually. And that piece there is actually an overhang that when I print it like that. Anyway, some support is also referred for this stand here, and it is the same for the old stand, but back then I didn't have any capability of do this. But now that I had done it, I can absolutely recommend that you make sure to put support behind this pin on the gears. That would allow the surface of the surface of the underside of this gear to be a lot smoother and more dimensionally accurate, which allow it to very snugly mesh with the gear on the clip side. So, now, in terms of putting this together, it is as simple as putting this thing like upside down, like that, onto the spring, slot it in place, and there we go. And then you can just snap it back where it's gonna be. Now, you may have noticed that this thing come all the way down very easily and without much force on from my hand, and start worrying that this thing may not be able to stand the weight of the Steam Deck. And to that I say, no worries, this thing is actually designed to be a lot stiffer to open than it is to close. So, and what that means is, if I put it on the Steam Deck and put it on the highest angle, it will hold. So no worry on that. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Happy print. Oh, that's all there is to it. And happy printing.